This video addresses a common yet important question we often receive from the families we work with. I really do not want to go to court. How do I talk to my spouse or partner about an out-of-court process like mediation? If you've come to the decision that your marriage is ending, the conversation ahead is one of the hardest you'll ever have. This conversation can shape everything that follows, for you, for your spouse, and if you have children, for them. So let's talk about how to approach it with honesty and care. Think two distinctly separate conversations, not one, and they should not happen on the same day. Telling your spouse the marriage is over and talking about how you'll move forward are two different conversations. I strongly recommend working with your family therapist or psychologist during this period of transition. Seeking the guidance of an expert is akin to using the correct tool to fix a problem with care rather than force. And care is exactly what your family deserves during separation or divorce. This video, therefore, does not address the first conversation, the announcement that the marriage is over. Your spouse may be angry, scared, sad, or simply numb. That is grief, and it is normal. The grief stages of divorce are real. It's nearly impossible to have a calm, practical conversation about how you will move forward with someone who is still absorbing the news. So give it room, and give it time. These two conversations are separated by days, weeks, or even months. The second conversation, the process. When some time has passed and the rawest emotion has settled, you can begin the second conversation, the one about how you may move forward. The goal here is to make this a shared decision. You're inviting your spouse to explore the options available to both of you. After all, this is not a plan you're imposing, and you both have exactly 4 options. Doing it yourself is the first option, also called pro se representation. Divorce mediation is the second option. Collaborative divorce is the third. And lastly, the traditional litigation approach. You might say something like this: I've been thinking about how we actually do this. I really don't want us to end up in a courtroom with 2 lawyers turning us against each other. I'd rather we sit down together with one neutral person, someone who works for both of us, not against either of us. Nothing gets decided for us, and we make the decisions together. Would you be open to looking into it? At CT Mediation Center, the mediators hold free discovery consultations, and only if both spouses are present. We take neutrality seriously from the outset. The Mediation Discovery Initial Consultation is a low-pressure way to take that first step together. It's simply a chance for the two of you to ask questions and learn how the process works, and ascertain if mediation is the right fit for your circumstances. If either you or your spouse wants to stay out of the courts, yet have your own attorney during the negotiations, you can also discuss the collaborative option during this meeting. You might say something like this: There's no pressure and no obligation. It's just a 30-minute conversation. We both ask questions and see how it feels. If it's not right for us, we've lost nothing. If your spouse says they're getting a lawyer, do not counter-threaten. You may say, "That's okay. You should always feel free to get legal advice, and I may do the same." Many people in mediation have their own attorney, reviewing or giving legal advice. State something like this: I'm only asking that we try to solve this together first, before we hand it to other people to fight over. I'm not asking you to give up any protection. The truth is, you can have a lawyer on the side and still mediate. Many couples start in litigation and turn to mediation in order to resolve conflict. The outcomes in mediation, when you employ seasoned, experienced mediators, are very similar to what couples reach through litigation, minus the legal fees, the emotional toll, and the stress. Things to remember. First, let your spouse share in the logistics, the date and time you meet, which mediator you call first. Anger and fear come from feeling powerless. Sharing those decisions lowers the temperature. Second, manage your own expectations. Your spouse may be angry for a while. That's normal. It isn't failure. Your patience is the most persuasive thing you have. The calmer and less defensive you stay, the safer this path will look by comparison. You're not trying to win this conversation. You're trying to begin the next chapter with as much dignity as possible, for both of you. There is a better way than traditional litigation: the divorce mediation option, or the collaborative process. If you think we can help keep your family out of the courts, please give us a call, send us an email, or contact us through our website. Thank you for your time and for your interest in an out-of-court option for your divorce or separation.